Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video session, I'm going to show you how you will install the WordPress on your laptop, PC, or any other machine. Student, you have to open a Google and then you have to write download WordPress. Once you will write download WordPress, you have to open a website with the name of wordpress.org. Once you will open download WordPress, once you will click here, then it will show you this link of the download wordpress.org. You can click on it and then it will lead to this website. Now you can see that this is a get WordPress is there. You can click here and it will show this button to download the WordPress. This button, download the latest WordPress. Once you will click on download link, the WordPress is ready to download on your laptop. Once it will be ready, just you can see that they have ready and they have downloaded into the download folder. This is my download folder. This is the download folder. Download folder, you can open download folder and you can see that your WordPress will be there. What you will do, now you will copy this WordPress C drive. You will go to the C drive and then you will open the Laragon folder. Then you will create a new folder inside this. Okay. And then you will paste there. So you can see that you will copy this folder and where you will go, drive C drive is there. Then you will click on Laragon folder. Then you will open this www folder. This is step number 1. This is step number 2, open Laragon folder. This is step number 3 to open www folder. When you will open www folder, you can see that this is C drive, Laragon, www. You can see one file will be there. Okay. What you will do, you can create a new folder with your ID number. You can write your ID number. I have written my ID number, that is 123456. You can write your ID number where you will create C drive, Laragon and www folder. 123456. You can write your ID number. In this folder, you can copy that file. Now, so what you will do, you can copy this folder that you have downloaded from the website WordPress and you will copy and you will paste here. Here you can Control plus P. Here you can see Control plus C, copy from this place and you will paste here. You will paste here this folder, WordPress folder. You will paste here 123456 means your ID number. Because this is a zip folder, this is a zip folder where you pasted as I told you, drive C, Laragon, www folder and your ID number and you are pasted on this folder and then you need to click unzip. Unzip, you can use any software to unzip this folder. Okay, suppose I have right click on this and I'm going to extract all. Once I will extract all, the zip file will become unzip format. It will ask me to select the location where I need to be extracted. I will click on extract button. This is my extract button. I will click on the extract button. Now you can see that extract the file, the folder, that is zip folder, is going to be unzipped and you can see that 18% has been completed and new folder with unzip is there. WordPress 6.8. So after extraction, you can see that your new path will be C drive, Laragon, then www, then 123456, that is your ID number, then WordPress, then again WordPress is there. It's too much long path is there. What you will do, you can copy all the files from this place, copy all the files, Control plus C, you can copy and you will paste into this folder. Suppose you will copy from this place to this place. Where is this place? This place is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you will go back, you will copy all the files from this place and you will put it over here. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is your ID number. Now what I did, I have copied all the files from WordPress folder and I will paste it here. You can see that this is my location. C drive, Laragon, www, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the folder where I copy all the file here. Now soon after this, once you have copied your WordPress file, then you need to run the Apache services and MySQL. Or you can click on start all. Then they will start it all. Now you can see that all the services has been started now. And now you can click on the database. This is the database to create a database in Laragon. So once you will click on the database, you will see that like this way, this interface. And in this interface, you can click to open a new session. Okay, this is a new session. You can click on the new session. And once you will click on the new session, then you can write a name, a testing. You can give any name. I have given an testing. You can give any name. It's not important. Okay. After this, you can see that this is a root. Root is a by default username or user of the database. This is the root is the username of the database. Okay. Port is there. And now I'm going to create a database. What I will do, I will click on the open button. Once I will click on the open button, then it will show me the next this window. Okay, testing is the name that I have given. If you will give any other name, it will use the same name. Then you can click on right click on the testing. You can click on the testing, right click on testing. As you can see that it will give you create a new menu, and in that menu you will see that one database option will be there in that menu. Just you can click on the database. Once you will click database, it will show you this menu, and here they will ask you to write the database name. This is the same name of the folder that you have created in drive C, then Laragon, then www, and then you have created a folder with the name of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you have written your ID number, then it will display. That's why whatever you have given a name of this folder, same name you have to write here as a database name. Same name. If your ID number is different, for example 689, you will write same database number 689. Next, once you will create a database, this is a database creation. Create the database name. Why you are putting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as I have shown you? Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is a name of your folder that you have created in drive C, Laragon, www. Testing is the session, and in this session database name is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 already created. This is the database 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 your database. After this, what you will do, you can open a Google and you can write localhost. By writing a localhost, you can reach to this place. Which place you can reach? You can reach to directly drive C, Laragon, and www. When you will write localhost, then you will reach to this place. If you want to go to inside this folder, then you have to write the folder name 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6, or you can write your ID number. If I will write this way, for example, I am writing localhost 1 2 3 4 5 6, then I will reach to this path. This is the path. I will reach to this place. Laragon www 1 2 3 4 5 6, and in this case you have one index file will be there. That file will be run automatically, and once you will click here, then it will start your installation, and you can select English, and then you can click to the continue button. Once you will click on the continue button, then it will ask you to need the information about the database name, username, then password, then database host. All these informations are required. For this, you can click on let's go. After this, you need to write the database name. Database name is the same that you are writing 1 2 3 4 5 6. In my case 1 2 3 4 5 6, but in your case you will write your ID number. Then username, I did not create any user, but by default user is the root, ROOT root. Password, you will no password, you will write as it is, and then you can click on the submit button. Like you can see that I have written 1 2 3 4 5 6, and username is root. Why you put root? You can see that your user is root, that's why you are using here root. Then password should be blank, and then click on submit button. Once you will click submit button, it will ask you to run the installation. Okay, you can click on run the installation. After run the installation, you can write site title. Here you can write your project title, your assignment title, and then username. You can put any username, that is the website username. Okay, right now I have written admin, and password I have written password is 1 2 3 4, and then confirm weak password, and then you can write your email ID. Once you will fill this form, then you can move to the next page, WordPress installation. You can click on login button. This is the login button to start your WordPress. After this, I have written my username, that is admin, and then password is 1 2 3 4. As you can see that I have written 1 2 3 4. Then it will shows me my dashboard of the WordPress. Here is my name, admin is there, and this is the dashboard. Okay, this is your installation has been completed, and if you have any question, please you can ask me. Thank you. Jazakallah khair.